Hey folks, it's raining and I'm driving, towing, that is. I'm pretty sure it's rained 90% of our travel days at this point. I'm headed up to Bemidji, meeting up with Michelle's brother and his kids for the weekend up at the Bemidji KOA. This came about because they've never gone camping before, so I brought up the idea to bring the kids camping for the first time. So here we are. That's what we're doing. Michelle's staying home with the pets, so it's very quiet in here, and I'm on my way up right now. So we got back from Michigan like 5 days ago. Michigan overall was a good trip. I think it gave us a good experience of what it's like to go on an extended trip. The verdict, I would say, is that we probably moved around a bit too much in the 9 days that we were on the road. I think ideally in the future we probably want to stay at one place for a bit longer. Speaking of which, we did book Manistee Lakeshore Campground already for next year, and we'll be there for a solid week. And we're able to get a site that has us facing Lake Michigan, so we're definitely looking forward to that, hoping the weather works out. Who's sleeping in here tonight?
Me and Isaac are here tonight.
Oh man.
And then Doe and Sophia are in here
tomorrow. Okay guys, we're gonna show you around the RV. It's really cool. So, here's what an open window looks like. Isn't that a nice view? Nice view. Another window, blanket. Here's the couch. Here's the pillows, arm, couch, life jacket, cabinets. Cabinets more, bathroom, shower. Oh, it actually turned on. I know. Cool. Refrigerator, freezer, food, another bed. Okay. Nice. Cabinet. More cabinet. When can I have it? More cabinet. Okay. So we're gonna show you around the campsite. Let's go. Woohoo! Here's some more stuff. We got tent.
Whoa, yeah, now That's a fire.
Literally over the flames now.
That's a fire.
Here's a cool bridge.
What are we looking at here? Lake Antasca.
Mississippi Headwaters.
Headwater to the right.
Yeah.
Man, it's really small. The Mississippi is really small here.
Is that what that was? Is that the Mississippi right
Yeah,
there?
that's Mississippi.
It was?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Pretty small.
I'm on the east bank. I'm on the west bank.
Uh-huh.
Waters of Mary.
Oh, that'd be cool to get some pictures of you kids. Get to see Sophia by the headwaters, huh?
800 feet, huh?
Yep.
It's really close.
Headwaters is 800 feet away. It's the Headwaters caretaker woman. The Heartwaters caretaker woman.
Who is she? Isaac, who is she?
She, Mary Gibbs.
She's Mary Gibbs. Does it keep you safe when you cross the Mississippi? Oh.
There's the Headwaters.
This is it over here.
The rocks are really slippery.
Yeah, I don't want you guys over there.
Really slippery.
Ouch.
We could cross over that little bridge over there.
This is easy.
Yeah, this is okay.
You'll be careful.
Cool log.
Oh no, what happened to Daddy? Are you gonna save him? No, that's not saving him. What's happening here? Wait a minute. Oh wow.
Daddy, stop on that!
Are you gonna save him? It doesn't look like it. That was terrible. I think he sat on your head.
I want to watch that one.
You. Can I go in?
Oh my gosh. Oh my lord.
Oh man, I almost made it. It
That
was
was
right
really
on the curve.
close.
Are you gonna put him somewhere?
Sophia's very nurturing to animals, right, Sophia?
I'm not religious. Where I am.
Oh, totally did.
You got a lot of bark.
There's a lot of sound effect that.